Zimbabwe Flying Labs is part of the Global Flying Labs network, and we're a local hub that's focused on using drone technology and robotics for social and humanitarian impact. So Zimbabwe Flying Labs started in October 2020, and this was after a process where we found and discovered Zimbabwe Flying Labs probably a year earlier. We had been involved in a disaster management situation which happened in our country, where we had a cyclone that devastated a certain section of our country and displaced a lot of people. So what we then did is we found that we actually didn't know enough about how to actually engage the people in the spaces and the government institutions and entities involved in search and rescue. And through our research and the work that we did, just trying to find out different ways and who was doing this similar type of work around the world, we came across We Robotics and the Flying Labs network, and really saw that they were doing amazing work in different countries like Nepal, where they had faced similar disasters.
Youth robotics is one of the key focus areas at Zimbabwe Flying Labs, and under our youth robotics program, we have come up with our own curriculum called Drones in STEM Education. Programs are aimed at young learners between the ages of 7 and 18. We expose them to drone technology through our holiday camps, our drone clubs, as well as our workshops.
We used drone data to work on conserving the wetlands in Harare, so it was an exciting project, and we want to continue working on that because it's a potential ongoing project for the maintenance of the wetlands in Harare.
We had a project where we went out with a crop spraying drone, and we did some activities with it, and we also did a little bit of mapping as well. So those are some of the projects that we did at Flying Labs, but we are hoping to expand even further and do even more in the future.
And we're also looking forward to getting involved in health robotics and looking at how can we actually help with medical drone delivery systems, be it vaccines, be it critical medicines, blood, or anything else that's required between the urban and the rural communities. But for us to get there, we really need the right partners. We really need people who are already involved in that space to come alongside, to bring in the resources, be it as a partnership, or be it as a sponsorship, be it as a grant. We're really looking for those kind of opportunities where we can take what we're doing right now, the expertise that we have, the knowledge, the understanding, the training programs, but actually be able to have impact on the ground. We can't do that alone. In any community, just like with the Flying Labs network, the strength of the network is in what we do together. And we're really looking forward to working with local partners, with some of the non-profit organizations, as well as the corporates. Whoever's available, we're really looking for support in that space, and to ensure that we transform the future of work and we make sure that we bring local impact through technology.